Welcome back, friends. When the markets were about to open today, we saw that the Nifty was expected to open over 110 points higher. The SGX Nifty was indicating a solid gain. Asian markets were tremendously in the green, and there was every chance that Sensex and Nifty would be opening higher as well. And this is exactly what happened. But just before open, I had issued a video, and you can go back and see today's video. I mentioned that the markets, although may open higher, but could slip very soon. And this is exactly what happened. If you watched various television channels and commentators, they were jumping in the air that this is a third chance virus, to fight the coronavirus. Another vaccine has been found. Third time lucky in hardly 3 weeks, as many weeks I would say. They were jumping in the air, sir. They were jumping in the air that the vaccine has been found now. Sir, markets don't function that way. If you see even my weekend forecast, I clearly mentioned that Monday things will start getting negative. Yes, there were hopes of and there are still hopes of a vaccine. I'm not denying that. But the movement of the markets has got something else in mind. This is why I have suggested that viewers, please follow my videos carefully. We try to do very scientific work. And for those who would like to know how we do the prediction business, you guys have been offered a choice, right? I mean, I have asked people that you can enroll for the Art of Investing intensive course of 10 weeks. I've even created a crash course of just 2 weeks for those who feel that, that would be good enough at this point of time. And I respect the judgment. It's very well thought. And one can always extend. Those people who will be finishing the 2-week course, they can always extend and go forward. We will be doing things we are available for at your service. And not that we are there for your service, and we'll do it at your suggestion. There's one more suggestion that I've got, and because of this, we are introducing a 21 days course for executives and doctors, especially starting in 2 days' time. So exclusively, I'll be keeping people who are with a non-financial background, but who would like to know where to invest, why their investments are suffering, which are going to be the best places to invest for the next 1 year, as I see a lot of ups and downs in the markets, and how to ride over, how to navigate this entire ups and downs which are going to be in the stock market, how to preserve capital. I'll be going over this carefully for executives and doctors. This is one course that I'm starting in 2 days' time. I'm starting also another course exclusively for housewives, people who would like to have some knowledge, so they can also enroll. There's going to be a separate course. They'll be giving separate videos, separate knowledge. So, but both with the honest intention of telling you how, which are the best places to invest, where you will, and I'll be covering the basics as well as the more advanced issues in these 3 weeks classes. At the same time, there are people and students who still want to enroll for the intensive course of 10 weeks. You are feel free to do that. We have just a few sessions done. So that's going to be very intensive, and it will cover certain market cycles which will be very important, and going over these details on a day-to-day basis, I'm sure you will learn great amounts out of it by the end of the 10 weeks. So, but a special call for executives and doctors who would like to enroll for the 21 days course for financial planning for doctors and engineers. Please feel free to WhatsApp me on 982-086-1044. I would be happy to hear from you, and the registrations are just starting, and I hope to complete them within 2 days' time. So within 2 days, we'll be starting this course, as we have already got 15 inquiries as of now, and I hope that there will be many registrations which should come over the next 2 days. So 2 days is sufficient time, and I will do my best to explain to you the basics as well as how you can navigate the markets over the next 1 year, and which will be the best places to invest short, medium, long term. We will even cover the provident funds. We will cover the debt funds, and we will also cover the various stocks stock selection you can do on your own, how you can invest in the Nifty, in the index. Everything will be covering, whether there are certain global stocks like Amazon, like Facebook, where you can invest. Even today, the FANG stock, so as to say whether this is a good time, whether any crash in markets is expected, and how you should deal with it. There is going to be a huge fall around the corner. Please feel free to enroll in this 21 days course. I'm creating two courses. One is for executives and doctors. One I'm creating for housewives who would like to know also a lot of basics and other things, so that I can help you guys not only save your capital but to make good amount of money. So feel free to WhatsApp me in either case. My number is 982-086-1044. Again, it's a 3 weeks course. I believe this is the time period that I require to deal with these topics at my comfort, and you should benefit immensely from both of these courses. So happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.